Hello guys, this is Rudy, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a developer environment for you to develop and test your apps. I'm going to show the developer program where you can create a new account or you can use yours from your company and have a developer environment for free where you can test Power Apps and Power Automate, including Dataverse and the premium connectors. It's a really great tool for you who wants to learn and don't want to mess with your company's environment and test different things. In order to do this, we are going to enter in the developer program website. Let's take a look. As we can see here, we are in our company environment. I'm on my company's environment and I see only the default environment, that's the personal productivity environment where people can build apps. Now I'm in the Power Apps developer plan page where you can get started for free. Since I'm an existing user, I'm going to select existing user and just create an environment. So let's click on the second button. Now I will have to inform what's my country and accept the terms. Once I accept it, it will start creating a new environment only for me and it will have my name in the environment's name. It's loading. Let's wait a little bit. It just created. As you can see now in the top, we have my name and the environment word. So it's Rudimar's environment, along with the other environment from my company. This environment is only mine. It's a dev environment and shouldn't be used for production apps. It's only for tests. Here I clicked on data and I don't have a Dataverse and I will create a Dataverse for tests. Just click on the create a database, select the options and now let's click on create my database. It will create and now a solution was created. A solution has all the necessary things to create a Dataverse. Let's not care about this right now. If we go to tables, we can see all the tables in the Dataverse. Those are the tables that come by default and we can create new tables later and explore the tool. That's it. Consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. See you soon. Bye bye.